In this video, I'm going to show you how to find old chats in Character.AI. So if you're trying to access your chat history, just follow these steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the Character.AI app or website and log into your account. Now, once you're inside your account, if you're looking for older conversations, the first place you want to check is your content settings. Now, go into Settings and look for an option called Archive, because sometimes older chats are archived, and if they are, you'll find them there. Now, if your chats are not archived, what you want to do next is go back to the main screen and tap on the character conversation you want to check. Now, once the chat opens, tap on the character's profile icon, which is usually at the top, or you can tap the icon beside the chat, and both options will take you to the same place. Now, once you're on the character's profile page, just scroll down until you see an option called History and tap on it. Now here, you'll be able to see all your previous conversations with that character, and you can reopen any of them. Now, another simple way to find older messages is to manually scroll up inside the chat, but this only works if the messages are still loaded. And that's it. That's how you find old chats or chat history in Character.AI. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.